So my name is Negin Golrezaei. I'm a KDD Career Development Professor in Communication and Technology, and I'm also an Assistant Professor of Operation Management at MIT Sloan School of Management. I got my PhD from the University of Southern California in 2017, and then I joined MIT in 2018 after spending 1 year at Google Research in New York as a postdoctoral researcher. And over there, I helped Google to design algorithms and mechanisms for their online marketplace, and in particular for their online advertising market and online retail markets that they have. So at a high level, my research interests are in the area of machine learning, statistical learning theory, mechanism design and optimization algorithm, but with application in revenue management, pricing, and online markets. But if I want to get more concrete, I've been in the past few years, I've been focused on designing machine learning and data-driven algorithms for online marketplaces. And when it comes to applying and designing machine learning algorithms for these marketplaces, there are two fundamental challenges that I've been addressing in my research. One of these challenges comes from the fact that usually these machine learning algorithms fully trust the data that is available to them. But as I'm going to elaborate later, in many cases you cannot fully trust the data. And in those scenarios, if you rely on the machine learning algorithm to optimize your decision, you are going to end up with a very poor performing outcome. And so that's one of the challenges and one of the areas that I've been focusing on. And the second challenge comes from the fact that many decision-making processes in online marketplaces involves evaluating and also experimenting with too many options. And companies are comfortable with doing A/B testing, but then A/B testing helps companies to only evaluate two options. When you have like so many options, extending A/B testing is not going to be a viable option, because that would take forever for the companies to figure out the best course of action. And that's the kind of another area in my research that I have been focusing on.